Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to customize a mockup template in Canva. This process is super easy and will help you create stunning product images for your online sales and marketing. Let's get started. First, open the Canva website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to sign up. I recommend the Pro account to get access to premium mockups. A link to sign up is in the description. In the search bar, type in the type of mockup template you want to customize. Be specific about the type of mockup you want: wall art, mugs, etc. Then browse through the available templates until you find the one you want. Once you've found the template, click on it to open it in the editor. This is where the fun begins. To add your product image, click on where you would like to add your product. Many of the templates have hotspots that allow you to add your image. Upload your product image from your computer, and it will automatically replace the existing image in the template. If you have already uploaded your image, select it from your uploads. To tweak design elements, click on any element in the template, then use the toolbar to adjust its size, position, opacity, and other properties. Once you're happy with your design, click the Download button in the top right corner of the editor to save your design to your computer. Now you have a stunning product mockup ready to use in your online sales and marketing efforts, and that's it! You've just customized a mockup template in Canva. It's that easy. Give it a try and create eye-catching product images to boost your online sales. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy designing!